friends, it's finally gotten to the consistency that I'm looking for. I have turned this off.
For the squash casserole, I'm going to use 2 squash, 1 zucchini, 1 medium onion, sour cream, Parm cheese, cheddar cheese, these golden rounds I picked up from Aldi. You're going to need a stick of butter, some kosher salt, black pepper, onion powder, and garlic powder. I want to get started by getting my squash and zucchini cut up into like half moon dices and have them ready for me.
Did you?
Now I'm going to shred up all of my cheeses and get them ready for me.
I know this looks like a lot of cheese, but whatever I don't do, I'll just put in a Ziploc bag and put it in the fridge.
This recipe called for extra sharp cheddar and Parm cheese.
Let's melt it down. Once I get that to where I want it, maybe a little bit of a bubble going on or like a froth, and I'll add in the onions and the zucchini and the squash. I'm not going to add any water because once I put a lid on this, there should be enough water from the squash and zucchini to keep everything from burning. I'm gonna let this cook up on medium heat. This is what takes the longest, is just sweating all this out, but it is so worth it. So worth it. All right, this is what I have so far. A lot of that liquid is coming out of the squash. It should start wilting down there. It smells good already. And all I did was add salt, pepper, onions, and the zucchini and the squash. Whew, this is gonna be so good. Okay friends, I took the lid off because I want some of this liquid to evaporate. And so I think I'm gonna take the opportunity now to add in my garlic powder and my onion powder. Probably doesn't even need it, but extra seasonings, extra flavor. Got a dash of each. All right, just a few more minutes to get that liquid out, and then I'm gonna start adding in the cheese. Oh, I gotta crush up the crackers because we're gonna put crackers in it, and it's gonna have a cracker topping. All right, friends, it's finally gotten to the consistency that I'm looking for. I have turned this off. I'm gonna let it sit and cool for just a second, and then I'm gonna add in the sour cream. Now this mixture is going in here, that's going on top of that. It's going in the oven for 350 for about 20 minutes. Everything's cooked, so you just want to make it through. I did spray this pan too with some Pam or cooking spray. Everything's off.
So what I did here was I crushed up one sleeve of those crackers, and I put it in a pan with some butter because I want to make sure butter gets on every piece of cracker before it goes on top of the zucchini and the squash.
While this is baking, I'm gonna clean up everything. See you in 20 minutes. I wanted to show you guys, there should be a video up now how we make our own vegetable broth. And what we do is we keep a very large freezer bag in the freezer for our scraps. So like these onions, because I cut up the onion to go into squash today, we're gonna keep that. So this is gonna go straight into the freezer, and we're just gonna add to it until it's full.
Good.